Information about Albizia julibrissin. Albizia julibrissin, also known as the Persian silk tree or mimosa tree, is a deciduous tree native to Iran, Korea, and China. It is a popular ornamental tree in many parts of the world, including the United States, due to its attractive flowers and foliage. The tree typically grows to a height of 20 to 40 feet, 6 to 12 meters, with a spread of 20 to 40 feet, 6 to 12 meters, as well. Its leaves are bipinnately compound, meaning they have many small leaflets arranged along the branches. The tree blooms from June to August with fluffy, pink, pom-pom-like flowers that are highly fragrant. Albizia julibrissin is a relatively fast-growing tree and is often used for landscaping, as it can provide ample shade in a short period of time. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. It is also drought-tolerant once established. In addition to its ornamental uses, Albizia julibrissin has also been used in traditional medicine. Its bark, leaves, and flowers have been used to treat various ailments, including anxiety, depression, insomnia, and skin conditions. However, scientific research on its medicinal properties is limited, and it is not widely used for medicinal purposes. It is important to note that Albizia julibrissin is considered an invasive species in some parts of the world, including the southeastern United States, where it can outcompete native plant species and disrupt ecosystems.